In this video, we will be showing on how Sanyo Denki cylinder linear servo motor can be used in soft touch application. We are going to use SunMotion CS100 controller and write a sample soft touch program using torque control mode. We will connect with RF2 amplifier through Ethercat connectivity. For motor setup process, you can refer previous video for more detail. Open SunMotion C software tool to write a program. Create new project using Motion standard template. First, we need to add our motor amplifier in the program. Add RF2 amplifier under Ethercat Master Soft Motion. Select RF2 Ethercat and click Add Device. Under SanyoDenki RF2 Ethercat, add soft motion for each connected motor with amplifier. Rename it to Axis 1. Under Axis 1's scaling mapping, change the increments to 1000. To enable torque control for soft touch application, we need to modify the process data first. Under SanyoDenki RF2 Ethercat's General, select Enable Expert Settings. Go to Expert Process Data. Click Index 1700 for Axis 1 outputs. And insert Index 6071 for Axis 1 target torque. Double-click Motion PRG to start writing your program. Set variables for MC power, SMC set controller mode, SMC set torque, and MC read actual torque function blocks in declaration section. Call function blocks and set each input parameter at the implementation section. For MC power function block, create new Boolean type variable to control servo on and off, and assign it at B regulator on and B drive start input parameter. Write a mode changing program for the motor to change from position mode to torque mode. Create new variables for the program too. Next, we will create a visualization program that we will use to test our program. Right-click Application, Add Object, and click Visualization. Drag push switch from toolbox to create switch for servo on and off. Click Variable and select B servo on to assign it to this switch. Drag lamp for servo on indicator and select power axis 1 status variable. Select label, then drag and drop on visualization area and modify the text. You can also change text font from its properties window. Create switch for mode changing using dip switch. Set the variable to be torque mode and add labels to it. For torque value, drag and drop text field. Change the text to %.f and set the variable to ftorque. To make this text value changeable, change input configuration for on mouse click. Select write a variable, click right arrow to add, and click OK. Build the program and make sure there are no errors. Connect your PC to SunMotion CS100 controller to transfer the program. Turn on power supply for controller and motor amplifier. Scan the network for connected device. Log in to download the program. Click Start to start the program. Double-click Visualization to test our soft touch program. Click Servo On to enable servo motor. Change control mode from positioning mode to torque mode. Change torque setting value and monitor the force. For testing purpose, start with small value, increase the value slowly and see the difference. Minus value can be input for reverse force direction. You can also push with your hand to feel the force difference.